All right, so this is just a real short video in regards to setting up your shop for the first time. So fundamentally, all we're going to do is name a kind of typical coolant that's used, select the type of coolant that it is. Then we're going to go in here and put um, at a general level, what are we expecting for target concentrations? When do we want to be warned? And when do we want to get an alarm, right? So we set up the concentration boundaries as a global parameters. We also go in and set how many days would we go without a data point before we were warned, and how many days would we go without a data point before we got an alarm. We repeat those same settings for the pH to set up the global conditions. And now we have a sump management kind of starting point. And what we can do from there is go in and more fine tune each machine. So I could go into an individual machine and now I can go and actually fine tune its specific concentration boundaries, pH boundaries, if they're different than the global parameters. So you get the ability to put the global data in, but then fine tune it at the machine level. Oftentimes what we find is a lot of shops will have a high percentage of the machines that are more or less the same, and then a kind of a subset of machines where the individual settings help them out. So hopefully that helps you understand how to set up your target warning and alarm levels for both your concentration and your pH.